Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add products in WooCommerce website. Let's get started. So I have in here my WooCommerce website. So if I want to add a product, I need to head over right here to my dashboard. So in here, you can head over to your dashboard by putting in your link /wp-admin and you should be able to see this. Now in here, what you can do is you can find the option in here for products. So you just need to hover to that and click on this add new option that they have right there. Now this will load in order to show you the add new product section of your WooCommerce. So just head over and then put in here the name of the product. So for example, for this, let's name this blue t-shirt. And you can also generate names with AI right here. So you can head over and click on that and you should be able to brainstorm some ideas that will actually fit this. So for example, you can use this one or this one's which actually is generated by AI. So in here, you can also generate in here some paragraph or description that you can use. So let's head over and then we can use these options. We also have the option to write with AI. So let's head over and do that for now because this is just a tutorial. But if you have a description that you want to use, then head over and use the description. For me, I'll head over and use AI right here. And as you can see, it has generated in here a description for my product. Once this product has been generated with description, you have in here the option to add some featured image. So let's click on the set product image right here in order to add some images we can use. So you can upload or you can also get some from your media gallery. So I'll head over and upload some files I'll use for this case. I have in here this picture of a blue navy shirt. So I'll head over and open that. Then as you can see, it will upload that. So head over and then just wait and then click on check and click on the set product image. And as you can see, it's been added as a product image. Now you can also add product gallery images that you can use for this one. Like for example, if you offer this in different colors or if you have another colors that you want to use for this one as well if you want. So head over and click on this add to product gallery and you can also add some more if you want as well. As you can see, we have now 2 and you can also put in here the product categories. So for this one, let's click on shirt and we can also use this for spring. So we can add 2 product categories and you can also add in here some tags. So for example, let's put in here navy, blue, shirt, casual. You can add how many cut tags that you want and you can also put in here some brands that you used. And you can also put in here some titles, sidebars if you want, and channel visibility. So you can put in here the price. So for example, let's price it at around 100 and the sale price is around 89. And you can also put in here the minimum quantity purchased, as well as the maximum quantity that can be purchased, and also a group of, exclude from, and you can also see in here the product short description and all of that. So let's try to scroll up, and once you're done with that, head over and publish this. So click on this publish option. And then once you have published it, it should be able to appear on your product page, on your shop page on WooCommerce website. So as you can see, it's been published. And now we can also preview what it looks like. So let's head over right here to our shop. And now we have right now some 7 shirts. And we have in here our shop codes. And in here you can click on these shirts that they have right here. And then as you can see, it's been added right there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.